Te korimako o Taranaki.
Tēnā tātou. Tai mai au hei kaumātua mō tō tātou iwi. Te tautoko te kaupapa o ngā iwi taketake o Hawaii. Tātou e tautohe ana I roto tō rātou kaupapa puta atu ki tērā whānau tātou I roto o Taranaki. Rātou katoa. Ana, kāre taia ki te tai atu, kāre taia ki te tautoko o ti atu rā, pakiaki ki tō tātou maunga, ka tuku ngā mihi katoa, ngā karakia katoa, mō rātou hei tautoko I a rātou. Tēnā tātou. Just to say that I'm here to help our whānau. The idea is that because we can't make it to go up there and I need to be chauffeured everywhere. So we just thought we'd come up to our own maunga and tautoko. The idea was first to tautoko Mauna Kea. I know that Māori are leading the way in a lot of indigenous kaupapa. For instance, ngā iwi taketake o te iwi moemoea, they actually want a treaty with Māori. They don't want a treaty with their government, they want a treaty with Māori. They see Māori as doing this, saving their reo, saving their kaupapa, teaching their reo, doing everything. And that's what they want. They want to come with Māori. And so do the other indigenous races in the States. They are wanting to do how we do it. They want to know how Māori are doing this and doing it, and doing the kōrero, and getting. See, there are three great things that happen, or a couple of things that happen. We have our reo now, as a true kaupapa now, our reo, thanks to our koro huirangi from Ngāti Rani. Hey, he went to the UN, he went to the High Court, he went to the highest court in the land, and now we have an official language in our own country. That's why people want us, need us. That's why we're doing this kaupapa. And so that's a bit of a long range answer, but tēnā tātou.
Te korimako o Taranaki.